Barbecue fam, today we're doing up chicken Riggies. Oh hell yeah, check this out. Chicken Riggies is a upstate New York thing, and we are going to dive into this. We're going to change up the recipe a little bit, and we're going to make it easy. We got an authentic vodka sauce from Utica, New York, and we're going to be using chicken thighs instead of chicken breasts. Cook your rigatoni al dente. Cube up your chicken after it's cooked. You're going to add it all to your pan. In this case, a Dutch oven, because I'm doing it in a smoker. Black olives. Can of drained black olives, add that. In this recipe, you can make it your way. Add mushrooms. Any kind of pepper, usually a cherry pepper is rocking. Cherry peppers are usually just dynamite in this. If you can get them, do it. We can grow cherry peppers up here in the Northeast. They're amazing. And the last time I made it, it was so good, but it was hot. So we're going to substitute with some banana peppers, just the rings. You're going to add in as much as you want. Two big scoops, make it 3. I like my homemade vodka sauce, but this is going to do. Oh hell yeah. Get that all up in there, mix it up good, and you're gonna put it in the smoker at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just get everything nice and even. Now we're going to put it in uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes at 350, but on a pellet smoker. Traditionally, this is all cooked in one pan. And then we're going to add a little shredded parmesan on top. Now all you do is sit back and wait. Time to hydrate. Oh hell yeah. So when you're pressed for time, trying to make a quick dinner, and this happens to be the meal that you're cooking, this vodka sauce, awesome. So to make your own, what I like to use is about 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, half a brick of cream cheese. I like a can of crushed tomatoes, keep it chunky, but most people want it thin. The thin sauce is the way to go. So get a puree, 28-ounce can, and then you warm that all up together. Same thing. Awesome. Add a little bit of sherry wine if you want, and then as you cook that down, it's amazing. If you can get it in the jar, go ahead and speed things up. That's awesome. Chicken Riggies. Oh hell yeah. Let's dig in. Use hotter peppers if you like. This just rocks. So do chicken Riggies. Very easy to do, quick, simple, and so delicious. Man, it's so good. And I guess so different to most parts of this United States and the rest of the world. I personally like the cherry peppers. Oh, gives it so much more heat, but this will work. The kids will devour this because it's not hot at all. And it still tastes so good. Oh hell yeah. Guys, you got to do this recipe. I will leave the whole recipe down below with an alternative method to make vodka sauce, a creamy, cheesy version. Oh, it's so good. It's my favorite actually over this jarred one, but that works very well. Oh hell yeah, guys. Smash up the thumbs, and subscribe if you're not.